Hi, here today on Tech Pitch, we're here to talk to Alex Lee from Xanadu Big Data LLC. Hi Alex, how are you?
Fine, thank you. It's a good weather.
Oh, it's a beautiful day here in Seoul. So maybe you can tell us a little bit more about your company and about yourself and your experience.
First, thanks for having me in your show.
Thank you.
I'm an emerging technology and intellectual property commercialization and monetization expert with over 25 years of related experience. Xanadu Big Data LLC is based in Boston and is founded for development, commercialization, monetization of Xanadu Big Data platform technology. Xanadu technology originally developed in UK in collaboration with Oxford University. The Xanadu Big Data platform technology includes software, intellectual property, and know-how.
So we hear a lot about big data nowadays. Everybody's talking about big data, but maybe you can tell us what makes your functionality different from other companies.
Oh yeah, in the era of big data, Xanadu is developed to take care of requirement of high-speed processing of diverse type of high-volume data. For example, Xanadu can provide a massively scalable fault-tolerant system that connects multiple storages. For example, in theoretical, we can connect up to 64,000 storages.
Wow.
It's fantastic.
I don't think I've heard of any other company being able to handle that amount.
Yeah, so Xanadu can support that, can store the exponential storage capability without worrying about the sum of the storages upward.
So maybe you can give us an example of how the functionality can be used and how it has been used.
For example, you can store or retrieve data although any two storages are shut down among 5 storages. As a good use case, you can connect commodity storages that you can buy in any place for providing high-performance, cost-effective storage system.
So we all know how important compliance is. Maybe you can tell us a little bit about how Xanadu Big Data is compliant and the ways that you're going around that.
Oh yeah, Xanadu can provide a high throughput, low latency with ACID compliant system. Especially ACID compliant enables reliable and consistent data storage that is specially required for mission critical services, for example, financial and healthcare services.
So maybe you can tell us a little bit about what are the unique design features or architecture of the system.
Oh yeah, Xanadu is designed composable architecture in order to be selective and integrate with other big data systems, for example, with IT infrastructures or data analytics to satisfy the requirement of the big data use cases.
So it's agile then, is basically what you're saying, is that it can seamlessly fit into a pre-existing platform.
Oh yes.
With very little disruption.
That's right.
So maybe you can tell us an example of how you go about this.
Oh yeah, for example, Xanadu can be exploited for the backend cloud storage system that allows remote client computers can boot from a stored system drive image or can access data and application resources via the internet. Especially with the diskless unit on user's desk and all data remains in the secure cloud servers, you can operate PCs at low cost with higher data security.
Makes it available to a wider range of people then as well, clientele, correct? Companies that are looking to use you.
That's right.
So in today's ever-changing landscape of big data, companies are more hyper-vigilant and more concerned about the security of their data. Can you tell us a little bit about how Xanadu Big Data technology goes about ensuring that everything is secure?
Oh yeah, specifically, time-stepping functionality of Xanadu can offer an efficient snapshot capability that enables users to reset their PCs to a previous saved state. Thus, Xanadu can be a good solution for providing protection of client PCs from notorious ransomware.
So as we probably both know, and as a lot of our viewers know, big data is changing, the world is changing in nanoseconds. Can you tell us a little bit about what the future holds for Xanadu Big Data LLC, and then also how you're going to be able to help companies grow with the changing times?
Oh yeah, we are keep developing and implementing new technology to make Xanadu most up-to-date advanced technology in big data system. For example, we are implementing a blockchain consensus technology to make Xanadu as provide strong asset compliance with higher performance.
And so blockchain is game changer in the sense of how it acts for security measures. Maybe you can tell us a little bit about the exponential uses of the exponential technology, such as the Internet of Things or artificial intelligence, and how you're going to be able to help companies with those as well.
Oh yes, we are now developing new use case in relation to IoT and artificial intelligence. Xanadu designed for heaviest workload, so Xanadu can support sensors. For example, in this case, in IoT, tens of thousands sensors can access your system and update data without conflict. You can use Xanadu as a streaming system application, for example, in the application of industrial IoT applications. Another example, we are developing use case in artificial intelligence, so Xanadu can support massive data involved deep learning application that you can train your deep learning system with high volumic data.
Well, I can tell you personally myself, I've learned so much here today, and I just want to thank you so much for being on Tech Pitch and telling us more about the ways in which you're changing the game in big data. And I really look forward to seeing all the wonderful ways that Xanadu Big Data LLC is really going to help companies grow with these changing times. So thank you for being here, Alex.
Yeah, thank you again for giving me the opportunity to talk about our technology.